Have you ever seen a flying ant, or even the whole swarm of them flying around a streetlight at night? In order to understand what these ants are doing above us, first, we have to look below.
This is a budding ant colony only a few months old, with the largest ant being the queen and the rest being workers. The queen ant is the mother of all ants in the colony. Okay, so there's a queen ant. Surely there must be a king ant then, right? Well, not really. Our queen would have had to mate, of course, to reproduce. But the so-called king ant, well, he's dead. This queen had a colony before this one. She wasn't a queen as such, but a female elate, meaning a winged reproductor ant. She had brothers too, male elates, born from unfertilized eggs of the old colony's queen. Occasionally, usually on a humid day, batches of elates are sent out to mate with members of other colonies. This is called a nuptial flight. The nests release a special pheromone to signal to other colonies that today is nuptial flight day. A female elate will mate with one or more male elates. Conveniently for this new colony, she won't have to go out and mate again. She has a special organ called a spermatheca, where she can store sperm from these males and fertilize eggs internally. This means she'll be able to stay underground for the rest of her life. Remember how I said these king ants are dead? A male ant's only use is to mate, so after they've done that, they'll just die. Our queen at the beginning didn't have wings. Like most queens, she would have ripped them off after mating, not needing them anymore. She then digs a little hole, lays some eggs, and survives for months, feeding herself and her brood, solely by digesting and regurgitating her own back muscles previously used to power her wings. Would you look at that? The eggs have hatched into larvae, which then become pupae, and now we have ants. These workers are ready to go from below to above to look for food and continue this amazing cycle. Ants are such diverse creatures. We have so much more to learn.